Namaste, Baba here. Question is, what is the ultimate life goal? Is it Moksha, Nirvana, liberation, exit from this world of illusion? What is the life goal? So let us look at life itself, life energy itself. That energy has taken form in the form of a soul that occupies this body full of energy. So, soul is just a part of that energy body that we call. Science has fathomed the body and the mind and the structure of working of the human body mind complex. But it is yet to fathom what happens before life and after death. What is it that enters the body and what is it that exits the body? Ancient sciences have given it a lot of names: soul, Atma, self. But what is lacking is a scientific way to define it and present it. And that is where Baba begins. What Baba observes is every life form is unique. Two leaves on the same tree are not the same. Two trees on the same farmland are not the same. Two farms on the same plot of the village are not the same. Uniqueness is built into every entity. From afar, we all look the same, but there is something unique within each of us, and that is the definition of a soul. This soul has a unique identity, it has a unique purpose, and it has a unique visible body also, which is why people never look the same, because we are different and we are unique. But we live connectedly. So, that life energy which is unique is also interconnected and intertwined to a large network of souls, life energies. And there is a constant flow of energy across these bodies, from within the bodies to outside the bodies, entering other bodies. The oxygen from the trees enters the human body. The fruits of the trees enter the human body. Our excreta becomes food to the same trees and the dwellers at her roots. So it's a constant intermingling and intertwining flows of energy. Amidst all this, that beautiful energy takes a unique identity in each one of us, and that unique identity let us refer to as soul. In that same unique identity is hidden a purpose. Each soul also has a purpose. What is purpose? Purpose is the endowments of the soul within the body, within the mind, and those endowments, which are unique abilities and talents, are here to modify that large body of creation. Every smallest person has a unique purpose. Every smallest leaf has a unique purpose for existence in this universe, as we call it. And that purpose defines the identity of that soul. And then, so what is the purpose of that life energy in this unique identity should define us? We usually define goals. Our human brains are used to calculated ways of living, and hence we try to define life and purpose of the soul with death as a reference point. But what happens after that unique soul exits the body? It amalgamates, it merges with that cosmic life energy and takes a rebirth in a new form. So, did life and its purpose end with that unique expression and its death? Or is life and the flow of energy a continuum, an eternal continuum? And so we cannot define purpose at death. We cannot define purpose that is ending. That which took form as one human only finished one unique expression, maybe of a large body of expressions. Our modern structures of government are not the idea of one particular human. Many ideas, many concepts, many experiments, and many failures of different expressions of that same energy have solidified these structures around us. And those structures become spirits. And so, what is happening is a constant flow of life energy redefining itself, a constant evolution process of experimenting with itself and redefining itself. So then what is end of life or death as we know it, and try to define this concept of moksha, nirvana, mukti. Seen in one way, moksha, nirvana, and mukti are escape routes, because this current form of creation is unbearable, and some of the Eastern philosophies propose the idea of treating the world as Maya and exiting it, and hence define the goal of moksha or mukti from that unbearable life which was Maya. And Baba does not subscribe to this. He wants to redefine moksha and mukti. Moksha is that liberation of that unique expression back into the undying life energy of Mother Nature, back into our womb. When we go, that is moksha. Nirvana, mukti is from that limited purpose that this unique expression carries. And when it accomplishes that expression in its totality and it finishes its journey in this unique appearance, that is nirvana, that is mukti. This identifies the truth of that undying, eternal, ever present, omniscient energy called Mother Nature. We are her undying, immortal children, only appearing and disappearing into the canvas of life. Namaste.